Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Shiva Vidya from the Department of English, SRC, Sastra University. I, along with Mr. R. Ramesh from CSC Department, have developed this Sastra Hybrid Mentoring App. So I'm pleased to inform that we have developed this based on the research work that we have submitted to IIT Conference, Chennai, which was conducted in the previous year, and our paper got selected. So due to that motive, we have developed this hybrid mentoring. So before getting into the demo part, I would like to give an overview of this. So the motivation for developing this app is quite simple. Most of the students face a lot of problems today, especially relevant to academics and also something apart from academics. That is why this mentoring system is enabled in many universities and is monitored by the management. Even then, the mentoring system is given high priority. Most of the students hesitate to share their problem to their mentors because they are scared of the judgment. The other major issue is when they are in the need, the faculty members may not be available 24 by 7 to help them solve their issues. In order to overcome these limitations, this hybrid mentoring is enabled in which students have a space to talk and share their problem with AI mentors. So AI communicate, console, and share some convincing words to the students. But of course, I agree, AI cannot replace human mentors completely. That is why in the same app, along with AI mentor, human mentor is also enabled. That is, students can chat with the AI, and all the chat that students have with AI is seen by the faculty member. That is the mentor. This intimation will be given very clearly to the students in the beginning of. Moreover, if the mentor wants, he or she can also intervene and talk with the student. These are the advantages of this. So now let me get into the demo part. So first, let me show the demo of the mentees, that is student. So this mentee tab has three spaces. One is academic space, the second one is personal space, and the third one is meta chat. So I start with academic space. So for this, Google Gemini is enabled. So any kind of discussion that students have with this open AI, Gemini will give them the automatic response. Again, I have a reason for enabling this academic website. I belong to the Department of English, but my mentees belong to the Department of Computer Science, Engineering, and CE Japan. So most often students approach me by stating that they have problem in following up subjects like engineering, mathematics, and engineering. They are first year students. So immediately after completing their 12th standard, they were not able to bridge the gap between their schoolings and their university education. When students approach me for this issue, I often ended up stating, please approach your faculty concerned, find their free time, and seek help from them. But I feel guilty because I was not able to help them by the time. I'm their mentor, I should give a proper solution to them. But I was not able to give that because even I lack a clear idea about how to read physics and engineering mathematics. Of course, I can give them the basic ideas like spend more time on reading, write formulas, discuss with some friends. I can give only some gentle ideas, but not exactly the solution what they want. That is why I wanted to design this academic material. So here, if students talk their problem, right, give me practical tips for reading, engineering, physics. It is not usually slow, but this time it is slow actually. Give me practical tips for reading, engineering, physics. If I click on it, as I mentioned earlier, Gemini is enabled for giving a reply. So it can give the proper reply to the question asked by the students. But of course, it will not respond as immediately as it does for Gemini. It takes some seconds. I understand, Arjun. Reading a technical textbook is a skill that is very different from reading a storybook or even a school science book. Engineering physics require a more active and layered approach. So it gives first some consoling words, and it also gives the practical tips to read it. Don't read it like a novel. How to make it as a three-column note-taking method, and draw before you read. Moreover, since it is clearly given in the prompt that it is designed for Sastra, it uses the tailored word and uses the words like Sastra exam, Sastra university faculty members, like that. So it gives all the clear reply for the students. Use the Sastra syllabus as a filter, Cooper, rubber duck technique. So Arjun, try applying these tips to your next study session. So if I again want to continue the discussion with I can do that. Moreover, if I am not convenient in talking in English, I have enabled Passionate here. So by clicking on Tamil, students can talk in Tamil with AI over here. Since I do not have Tamil keypad, I cannot type directly in Tamil. That is why I'm using like students use in message language. So since I use this kind of bilingual language, when I ask the ChatGPT, sorry, when I ask the AI to respond for this, AI can give reply in Tamil. So like this, AI can respond me in any language that I want. And it gives us a clear response about how to divide, how to prepare schedule, what I have covered for CA, where do I commit mistakes. So like that, I can get tips for everything. So look at this. So the reply is in Tamil clearly. பள்ளியில் நாம் அனைத்தையும் படிப்போம் ஆனால் புதிய பாடத்திட்டமே உங்களது வழிகாட்டி இயற்பியல் பாடத்திட்டத்தை கையில் வைத்துக் கொள்ளுங்கள் தலைப்புகளில் உள்ள முக்கிய வார்த்தைகளில் மட்டும் கவனம் செலுத்துங்கள் முழு புத்தகத்தையும் படித்து குழம்பிக் கொள்ளாதீர்கள் பேராசிரியர்கள் கொடுத்த குறிப்புகளுக்கே முதலிடம் கொடுங்கள். So like this, it is giving a clear response that is needed for the student. So any kind of academic relevant problem can be resolved using this academic space. Next to that, I have got a personal space. Of course, even in academic space, if students talk any personal issue, that AI can respond. But purposefully, I wanted to have a separate place for this. As I have already mentioned, this paper is something, this research work is based on the paper which I have submitted for IIT conference. For that, we have conducted an experiment for 120 students, out of which a few set of students attended only human mentoring, and the second set of students attended AI mentoring. The third set of students attended hybrid mentoring. So, as usual, with the human mentoring, most of the students share very common problems like some small infrastructure issues, and most of them stated that they did not have any issues at all. But when it comes for AI mentoring, it has been given a clear instruction to the students that any chat that they are going to have with the AI tool should be copied in a Word document and it should be shared to me. Though I have given the instruction to the students were very casual. sharing most of the problems that was disturbing them for so many days. I could share few examples. Students uh, shared that they felt like a burden to the family, and having arrear was a very big thing that they were not able to overcome that thought. And some of the students mentioned that they are really addicted to the mobile phone and they do not know how to come out of this issue. So, like this, they have shared so many personal issues which students do not usually share with the human mentor. And moreover, the previous record of the students' chat can also be found here. So, the app clearly maintains the record of all the chat students had with AI. So instead of wasting the time to by typing it again, I'll just display what I have tried earlier. So due to my family, I have a lot of years and I do not know how to clear the papers and support my family. For that, AI clearly give response to them. It gives consoling words and make the students understand the reality. Then it gives the practical tips to overcome the problem. This is how the AI works. I have also enabled another important option, that is if students use some abusive words like I want to commit suicide and it is too stressful, I'm depressed, I do not know what I'm going to do next. So like this few words, some offensive words will be marked red. It will be flagged red by AI, and AI immediately say that this issue will be notified to the mentor immediately. Uh, because I care about your safety and want to make sure you have the right support immediately, I'm notifying your faculty mentors right now. So immediately that information get notified to the faculty members. Since I have already dismissed that particular part in mentor page, I am sending it again. It is an earlier conversation, so I deleted that. So now it is showing as a red flag, and it is giving some consoling words and also some contact numbers to help him overcome this issue. I'm immediately notifying your faculty members and also the university support system. So if I want, we can view the clear info about the university support system so that it will be notified to the student. So these are the options that students have in academic space and personal space. So finally, it is a mentor chat. As I have mentioned you earlier, it is not simply the chat between AI and students. Students can also chat with human mentor. So if students want to share any kind of information or confirm something, you can directly share with the mentors like, please confirm if you will be available tomorrow. Yes, the faculty has even replied, yes, you can meet me tomorrow. These are the old chat. I just want to update it now. Uh, so please, what time it. So the reply by the mentor will be shown in that demo. For sir, at what time I can meet you. So this message is sent to the faculty immediately, the mentor immediately. So these are the options available in the student tab. Now I will move on to the mentor demo page. So this is the red flag detection. Since Arjun has used the word suicide, immediately it is showing as a red flag. So if I want, I can contact the student immediately. Next, I have the list of all the mentees. So if I click on any particular student, I have got some 5 different tab about the student. First one is the profile of the student, in which the registration number, attendance, GPA, his arrears stickers, fees pending, all the details will be viewed. Then all his academic and personal chat that he had with AI will be clearly visible by the faculty members. The faculty can view any kind of chat that student had with AI, and Fourth one is actually the mentor tab, through which the student can communicate with the mentor directly. Once you receive your CA papers, please meet me. Sir, at what time I can reach you? This is the question by the student. So if I chat something to this, students immediately get notified. You can meet me by 1:30 p.m. So this response will be immediately received by the student. So finally, we have also a parent tab. That is, if I want to talk with Arjun's parent, through use this tab, I can communicate with her. So, dear sir or madam, end semester results have been declared. So, I can share the message to the parent. So, I can view the profile, I can view his academic chat, I can view his personal chat, so that I can know the clear information of the student. So, here we get a valid question that if these things are already available in Gemini and ChatGPT, some of the open AI is available, then why students seek the help of the app that we are going to develop is quite simple. Students may want to share some particular information to their mentor, but they often hesitate to share those information with the mentor because they think it may not be right, or is it necessary to share all this information. But if they have got a separate space for that, they conveniently share all these issues. That is why this academic and personal tabs are separately allotted. So once if they chat anything in these two AI tools, it will be immediately notified to mentor. Mentor can get a complete detail about all these. And the mentor can also talk with the parents. These are the options available for the parents. So I can click on any student and view them. So if I want to talk with any student separately, I need to click their name. I can view their academic and personal chat. I can talk with them personally, and I can talk with their parent also. But if I want to make any common announcement, I have got another option called broadcast announcement. So if I want to communicate some message to all the students, I can type and send it here. So all the 10 students get notified of that. For example, all of you meet me tomorrow. So this message is sent to all the 10 students immediately. So if I want to contact all the 10 parents for particular information in semester results have been declared. So this message is sent to all the parents. So these are the options available for mentors. So there is also a story behind enabling this broadcast announcement. Recently, I have attended parents teachers meeting. At that time, most of the parents make a complaint that students are not updating every information that is happening over here at the institution. Like they do not know when they have to pay the end semester examination fee or when the end semester results is declared. So, in order to make the parents aware of all these information, the mentors can share the information clearly to the parents. So now I move on to the third tab, that is parent details, demo of parents app. So here the complete details so her ward is visible, like the name on the register number, the course, the attendance percentage, fee status, CGPA, all the details about their ward will be visible. And if the parent want to talk with the mentor, they can talk. So this is what the information shared by the mentor to the parent. 10 semester results have been declared. So the parents have received that information, and if they want to communicate anything, they can also share it to the mentor, and mentor will get notified immediately. So these are the options available in the app. I'm really thankful for the management for giving me an opportunity to explore the technology and create a, a, a good app like this. I'm thankful for all of you for giving me an opportunity to explain this. Thank you all.